Hey, it's Ryan here. I want to show you the Lazy Magic Table. The reason I call it that is because it took me less than 60 minutes to build this table, and I've been using it now for about 3 years. This is it. I mean, that's the table part of it. It is a circle of wood. In fact, this one, as I explained in the tutorial, is a stool top. This is the top of a stool with no legs on it. But what it does have is this little microphone flange. That's for a standard size microphone stand to attach on top. And what I love about this, I can have one of these in my case, which I do at all times, and it attaches to any microphone stand anywhere. So a lot of the times I go to a venue, there's already microphone stands there, so I don't have to carry that around. But bonus tip, this is something I also carry around because I'm prepared for everything that I can be. This is the AirTurn Go stand. And this is a microphone stand that's obviously very collapsible. And I will open this up for you. Tighten that up. Extend the first section. And extend the second section to there. Now it has a third section, which would extend up to speaking height. Hello, hello. But I don't use that because I'm using it for a table, so I extend it to right about there. And then that section, or that microphone stand, is going to attach right into the table. Give that a spin and get that, and then usually has one of those locks on it, which helps keep it steady. And that's it. You have built your magic table. In addition, I also carry around this, which is a close-up pad that I've just cut into a circle. So it goes right on top and makes a nice presentation for cards and coins if I so need it. Usually I'm using these on stage, and I have 2 of them, which still I made 2 in that's less than an hour. So very easy to make. And some of you may be familiar with the InStand table, which I actually had my tables on a table. The InStand folding table. It's basically the same size, more or less the same weight. Well, this is 2 tables. That doesn't help. Yeah, I mean, pretty close. But this InStand table, I think, will run you about $150 to $200. And this table, the tabletop will cost you maybe 10 to 20, and the stand I think is about 40 or 50 bucks. So, and if you have stools lying around, it's even cheaper to make. So, the point is, it's something you can make in a weekend with no special tools required. All it takes is a power drill. But even that you don't need if you want to struggle. It just makes it easier with a power drill. And that's about it. The Lazy Magic Table. If you want to make it, follow the instructions. I've laid it out step by step for you. Thanks for watching. I've got plenty more magic tutorials and tips coming up for you. So if you enjoy this, please do share it with your magician friends. Putting it out there to share and spread the good news. So I will talk to you again soon. This is Ryan, signing off.